Good morning, this is Burnrate and welcome back to another day and another daily challenge in Offworld Trading Company. Today we are going to be playing Scavenger. So hopefully we find a good big pile of carbon right next to the base and right next to the colony. Ooh, look at all that iron. This is a very resource rich map.
High levels of aluminum found.
No carbon yet. I want to be near some carbon.
That will be useful.
There's a little bit.
Low levels of carbon found. Medium levels of water
Oh, there's a nice big pile, and let's see what this is, and we can
found.
drop in right here, I think.
Levels of silicon found.
I'll just do this.
High levels of water found.
This will be wonderful. Let's do that. That is a lot of all sorts of good stuff.
High levels of silicon
So upgrade,
found.
we need carbon,
High
glass,
levels of iron found.
and aluminum.
Medium
So let's
levels
just
of
go for a
carbon
quick
found.
upgrade. We're going to grab aluminum. We'll grab, I don't know, this guy's high, but he's super far away. We'll grab this one. It's probably all we'll ever need. And we have our glass. So we can get this nice big water that's right next to us, and perhaps the silicone as soon as we upgrade. So let's see.
Revolving colony founded.
Scientific colony founded.
Electrolysis would be nice. So I just want to make sure I get this, although no one else is that close. This is a very tiny map. I think I want to grab these resources early on. Get this silicone also. So we will grab that while we're waiting for the upgrade. Shouldn't take too long. We have quite a bit of aluminum and carbon coming in. We can sell our iron and we'll wait a moment. There are claims in the black market, which is very nice as we are scavenger and pirates, which would make me kind of want to get teleportation. Although we shall see if I go the whole patent lab route. Because I think I'm too far away to really go for virtual reality. So, plot auction.
You should be proud of our guys.
So there's a geothermal down there. There's a few more. So I have 3 claims. I'm going to get another one from the black market for sure, but I need money for that. So let's see. I can't even build this. Should go for food, electrolysis, and power just to keep the debt down. Kind of want to. I'm gonna have to sell some stuff right off the bat here. That glass is expensive.
Scientific colony expanded.
Let's get food. Uh-oh. Someone's going for silicone. Let me see if I can beat them. Are they going? They're probably going for that one. So I'm gonna grab a food here. And I'll stick you over here. And I kind of want to go glass. If I get food and electrolysis, I think that'll allow me. I don't have enough water. I'll have almost enough water. Let's see. I'll stick you over here. And and then all those claims got bought already. I was too slow. Not paying attention at the right moment. I kept saying I need to pay attention, and then I didn't. Let's see if I can get that 4,500 and grab a claim. Just gonna sell off everything right now. Need another 1,000. Let's see. There we go. That was unfortunate. So we have our claim. We have not enough oxygen to make glass, but I would like power, which is gonna cost a bit of carbon. I think I'm gonna go with the second carbon. I don't have any glass income, but with the electrolysis and food, I should save up for the other, for another, let me see if I can get this second claim like right off the bat here.
The black market is online.
There we go, now I have 2 claims, so let me do this. Let me get carbon, and then power, and then next time we can get some glass. I should have enough income, so this will hopefully keep our debt from going up. I really want to keep our debt down this game. I'm gonna just wait for this carbon, but that'll come in pretty fast.
The
Now that I
black
have 2
market
going,
is online.
adjacency bonus is already online again. Black market is so fast. I'm not using any of my silicone yet, so I can sell quite a bit of it. Does anyone else have anything I would like to mutiny? They have power. That would be actually nice. the beginning here. Power is expensive enough, so I think I will grab that for the moment. While I'm waiting for my geothermal to come online, or to even get enough to build it. Can sell some more silicone. I do have a claim still. I should build more electrolysis, and then I can get the glass. Although the water is lacking, so let me do that, because we're already getting debt because of that. So we'll go to up here. Oh, I need that claim. 10,000. What can I do? Or should I just wait for the upgrade? I need quite a bit. I don't think I have enough to sell right at this moment, really. No, I'm pretty close already. The food is good. I have plenty of water coming in. And sell a little bit of... there we go. So let me grab that claim. I'm gonna get power. And then to upgrade, all I need is the carbon again, which is gonna come in quick, and then the glass. So I'm gonna need about 5,000 for that, which should be pretty fast. Should go for more food production, because that is netting me quite a bit of cash right now. Let's see. 4, 1, 2, 3,
Black market is online.
and 4. Now we're just gonna wait for... I did it again. I bought electronics. I did that last time too. That was ridiculous. Why do I keep doing that? Pay attention just a little bit. Well, I'll hold on to them. I don't want to throw away the... So 1, 2. Need a little bit more. 3. And then 1 more. Just buy them as early as possible. Ooh, nice shortage of electronics. I could sell these now and make a little profit. Wouldn't be too bad. I don't mind at all. So let's upgrade, and now we're looking at glass. And we can push this here. Or no, let's put it adjacent, I think. I do want another food to help keep my debt down, and to sell is good. We have power. And that's no longer mutinied. And what else am I lacking? Income, really. But with the food, I'll have income. The glass is good. Electronics, I have a good carbon and silicone income and aluminum. So yeah, I think I'll do one of those also. And that'll be money and, you know, build up for getting the off-road markets and everything. So we got pirates. They are on my carbon, which is unfortunate, but also means they'll go away pretty fast. So let's see, we have glass coming in, which means we're lacking on that. So let's see if we can get 14,000 really quick here. Sell some water, sell some fuel, sell a bunch of silicone, and try and buy this claim. And that means we're going to get more electrolysis, which we do need. And we got EMP'd. Man, they're hitting my carbon hard, but I'm doing alright. No one has bought any stock yet. I have quite a few extra claims, which are nice. Looking at maybe getting an engineering lab next level, which I always enjoy. Saves a lot of claims, and with buying all the claims on the market too has been really nice. My debt is going down due to the positive power. So let's see. Next turn it's gonna go negative, but the power is like pretty much... It's not worthless. Yeah, it's worthless right now. It's $1. So once we upgrade, I'm gonna go engineering lab and probably improve my power. Well, chem. Let's see, chems, engineering lab. Do I have enough fuel? I do. It's gonna slow down my carbon input quite a bit when I start building the chems. That's okay.
Robotic colony expanded.
So still need a lot of carbon to upgrade. Slow due to my the EMPs over there, but not terrible. I could buy another claim, which wouldn't hurt. I don't have enough water to build more food or anything, but I could get the adjacency bonus here. So let me see. Sell a little glass. Buy that claim. Now I want to do chems. Although that'll again slow down my carbon, but with the extra And this
Pirates.
comes
I
3.25.
hate
As long as I
those
don't get
filthy
frozen
bandits.
again, I'll be fine. And I can... Oh, magnetic storms. I didn't notice those. Definitely want to go patent lab now and get teleportation.
The
Although
black
I'm such a
market is
compact
online.
area, I feel like it would be wasteful. Like, I guess they can't hurt me too much, and I'm not really doing that yet, so it's a good bit of money. What are we lacking? The carbon. Carbon, always lacking carbon. I could put another one, I think. But what do we replace this with? I could replace it with chems and replace this chems with more electrolysis or something, perhaps. Could have built that in a better spot. So let's see. We are negative on the
Scientific
power.
colony expanded.
We could do this. Did someone build? There we go. The price of power went up a good bit. Surplus of glass, so let's sell a little bit while it's going down.
Pirates.
Sell some
I
electronics.
hate those filthy bandits.
Still need 20,000 of the carbon. That's being such a pain. So how much is another claim? 30,000? It's quite expensive, but it's still a bit early. Let's upgrade
The
instead.
black market
I don't
is
know everybody's
online.
name yet.
I am gonna pull another carbon. I need more water. I'm gonna need it for other stuff. The adjacency is good, and the food I definitely want. Let me sell a little bit of resources here. So now I have one claim left. I may want to do another food. Or no, I do want to do my engineering lab. I have some
Revolving
chems coming
colony
in.
expanded.
I just need carbon for that. That'll come really quickly. Finally, my carbon is not being
Pirates.
taken away anymore.
I
Oops,
hate
they're
those
right
filthy
back again.
bandits.
Maybe I do want to get a teleportation. It's such a pain, and I got mutinied right on my carbon. They're really hitting me where it hurts. This is unfortunate.
Revolting colony expanded.
So I am... Yeah, my carbon's just dropping.
4,000.
Some's making it through. But we're not really making enough through to get that
7,000.
engineering lab. Let's see what we can sell.
12.
Engineering lab is quite expensive.
14,000. 20,000.
So we will stick you
8,000.
out here. Or over here. This looks like a safe spot. These are good. These are all good. Expensive. These are coming in. I got those pretty early. So this, I'm just kind of going with a straight production line here. I'm not really, I don't know, doing anything to any specific strategies. I guess there's such a huge amount of resources so close, and this is a great starting spot. The only thing that's been annoying is the carbon piracy. It's just been unending. And we can upgrade our chems, and then once we do that, we'll put another electrolysis here and shift the chem production over there once we have enough carbon built up to build our off-world markets after the next upgrade. So let's we'll do chems first. Won't hurt to do the carbon, and power definitely would be nice. I'm losing a lot to that right now. 10,000 for a mutiny. Definitely worth it though, if they have not protected. No one's bought a squad yet, so yeah. My debt is very low, which is nice, and no one has bought any stock yet for anyone. So, got research going. Everything's looking really good. I'd like more food. Of course, at this point I'd like to save some claims just so I know what the off-world markets are going to be doing. And once I upgrade, I should be able to get this pretty fast as long as I don't sell my glass and
The
electronics.
black market is online.
So we can buy
Scientific colony
this,
expanded.
and I'm going to protect that. Got a lot of food to sell, which is nice. And we have fuel, which is very nice to sell. A lot of it's coming in very fast. Our debt is 0. We're actually making money right now. And I do want to research power.
The
I have it
black
queued up.
market is online.
Let me do one more. Still quite a bit to upgrade. that carbon is kind of expensive. And I've just been getting hit on it constantly. A lot of glass too. So let's see here.
5,000.
Sell more food, some oxygen, some fuel, a lot of water. It's actually a good price. So we have enough right now to upgrade, which will be good. I think I'm gonna have to get more power. I don't know if I want a whole nother. Well, the price went down again. I don't know if it'll go up again. I think with research I should be okay, and I haven't gotten any patents, so I'm not gonna be able to do the thing where I
Your stock
sustain.
is being bought.
So that's my stock being bought.
We caught a dirty rat trying to break our
Oh,
stuff.
not very nice. I'm gonna keep that defended. So let's upgrade so we can begin doing more stuff.
We're done with it officially.
Oh, that
You should be proud
stinks.
of our guys.
How long is that? 95 seconds, but only 45 on the big one. So water. That's producing 3.5, so this will come back online, so we're good. So, I can't go back up my notes here. I don't know. There's probably a way, but I don't know who
The
EMP'd me.
black market is online.
You are problematic. Let's do that. We could mutiny this, actually. Let's see what patents you have. Superconductor, energy vault, virtual reality, financial instruments, and
Pirates.
teleportation.
I hate those filthy bandits.
I'm gonna mutiny this and then... Oops. Nice. Grab perpetual motion, just as kind of a safeguard. Let's see. These are frozen. More power would be nice. It's not that high, but it's something.
The
It's
black
not zero.
market is online.
And I want an off-world market very badly. I should build more chems. I'll build more chem over here because this is where they're going to go, and I have the fuel and carbon right now. So I'm going to get rid of one of these at least and build the chems back in that direction. And I'll buy that just so the market cycle is faster. I'm not going to use it right now. I have this. I could actually get another one. Carbon scrubbing wouldn't be bad, but
Pirates. I hate those filthy bandits.
I'm just gonna leave it. I don't want to spend it. More pirates? Not on me. Hooray! I haven't seen a lot of magnetic storms, only that one. I could start buying those and just hitting people with them, which would be nice. That whole guy is frozen.
The
That's
black
crazy.
market is online.
So everyone is level 5. We'll use one of these and explode you. Claim auction. I have pretty low debt.
16,000, 28,000.
And I'm paying it off, so that was too much. I shouldn't have gone. I didn't. I wasn't paying attention. That was too much. I mean, it'll go away. I don't think I'll have a problem with that. So let's see. Let's hit some up here. Spread the love around. So I'm getting pretty close with this. Have a lot of carbon coming in. I should research the chems again. Only did one level of them, but I have 2 chems now that they're not getting the adjacency bonus, but I am getting a lot of carbon for my off-world markets, which is what I want. So what can I sell? There's a lot I can sell and build one of these. Now there's nothing I really want to get rid of that's adjacent to my base, so I need the 2 claims. So I'm gonna put you out here. And I'll drop the goon squad right on there. And then we'll see what else we can do at our claims once the market's open. I haven't used them. I have 4 claims just kind of sitting. So I'll have 3 more. Probably food and or oxygen. Diversify a little bit. Maybe more electronics. You know, those never really hurt. The price of glass is surprisingly low. So let's research the chems. And once we have a bunch more carbon, I mean, our income is so high with carbon right now that I think I can get rid of this one and build electrolysis here and move this other chem lab over. We have enough water for that and everything. So let's do that. So we'll bulldoze you, that, and then bulldoze you. Chem lab over here. So I like that. Goon squads are super expensive already. I have a good bit of money. Oh, now let's look at our prices. What do we got? Low prices. Anything high? Chems are the highest, it looks like. Water's pretty good. Food is just not that much. The off-world market is like pretty weak. Let's see. If we sold 10 of these, 100 of these, it would be more than the off-world market price. That's crazy. So let's just build, I think, okay, we'll build some electronics, although the price will fluctuate down, so we don't want to build too much, but we have enough resources. Oh, I hate magnetic storms. Let's research this again. We'll research this guy. More magnetic storms. What can be mutiny?
Let this be
I
a
mean,
lesson
since
to
the
you all.
off-world
Screw
market
with
is so
us,
low, I'm
and
gonna
we
go
screw
hacker
with you.
array and see what I can manipulate to make some money. Mrs. Patton is all bought up. I should buy Miss Entertainment.
Off-world shipment launched.
Let's buy this.
Look at all the money.
And we gotta put another one of these in line. Man, this stinks, these prices. Aluminum's fine, I'll sell that all day. It's not too much lower than anything else, and it's worth nothing on the ground, so it's the best price differential, I guess. Man, these are getting crazy. I don't know if I want to hack Goon Squad that. I don't know if it's worth it. So 2 claims left. I don't want to build more electronics because
The black market is online.
I'll saturate the market and it won't really be worth it. I really don't know. I'll build another off-world market. It's not going to hurt. I'll wait until I have some more resources for it though. So you are going to short. Let's short power since I got positive. That'll help my debt. And we can short electronics. And silicone would be nice. I have so much of that. How much are we doing here? Just the electronics, which I'm going to use. Which is unfortunate.
Off-world shipment.
So let me put another research in line here. And I have a lot of chems already, which is nice. I can start shipping them off-world, perhaps. I don't know if I want to do that, though. I've never seen the off-world prices this low. Just interesting. If these are Goon Squadded, I'll put them together. I mean, it's so much. Like, they'll pay for itself. I'm just worried about not paying for itself, but it will. So we can probably get rid of another carbon.
I hate the trading service. Price manipulation.
So we got more pirates, but they're not on us. Everything in our game is right down here, which is nice. This set of resources is doing us really well. So let's start selling stuff. We want to buy Miss Entertainment stock because she owns most of the other stock. So we're gonna sell a lot of things here. Oxygen, good. More aluminum, water. Price of power is going up, which is good for our debt. Continuing to research. Yeah, I do want the more carbon because I want to get rid of this one and put in another chems, but I don't think will be enough. What can we do? Fuel. We got mutinied. Powder power. That sucks. I did not Goon Squad that when I. Let me see. Can I mutiny someone else's geothermal? Save me, because that is expensive right now.
So
let's buy 38,000 for one more. Stuff's getting pretty intense here and fast. Let's make sure you're running. Yeah, 39,000 for the chems. I'll do that. I'll sell these electronics, which is outstanding. All they're bought up.
Launched.
So
Look at all the money.
The black market is
I'm trying to think if I
online.
should go defensive buy or just save up for that. I think I will go defensive, or I will go to save up, depending on how much I get bought up. Let's do another. Oops, that was the wrong one. Oh no, it's not. Sell some more chems off-world, some silicone. Magnetic storms making me angry, but I'm so close, so it's not that big of a deal.
I hate those filthy
What are you
bandits.
doing for hacking? Shorting that. Silicone, let's short and short again.
Offworld shipment launched.
We can research.
Look at
This
all
is
the
maxed
money.
out.
Our
Who
hackers
else?
have compromised
Everyone's
the
got
trading servers.
off-world markets
Price
going on.
manipulation begins
This is
shortly.
getting pretty intense. This is a very well saturated. Mutinies are expensive. Everything is expensive. There's a lot of resources on this map. I feel very in danger. Let's do another chems. We'll do chems here.
Off-world shipment launched. Look at all
And
the money.
I feel like I should have gone for the carbon scrubbing, because then I wouldn't have had a problem getting rid of this if I mutiny. And they got rid of their patent lab.
Your stock is being bought.
Yeah, they got carbon scrubbing. They just got everything. So 535 for that. Make sure all these guys are working. Where are we here? The food
Your
is barely
stock is
worth
being
it.
bought.
That's worth it. Why not? So we can sell this.
Off-world shipment launched. Look
What
at
other
all the
chems?
money.
No,
Your stock
hackers
is
have
being
I don't know if I can get rid of that. I think I can't, because when I lose the adjacency bonus, it'll go down too much.
Your stock is being
I'm gonna buy a little bit of my stock defensively. At least it's split. But I have a lot of Mrs. Entertainments. I need to get that. So we'll wait for this to peak out, and then we'll sell.
Off-world shipment
Oh, someone else got in right before us.
Look
That
at all the
stinks.
money.
Bad clicking. So what else do we have? This is a pretty intense map. A lot of chems going off world is good. Worth it. They're coming in pretty fast, so I can do my research, and I got some queued up. What are you shorting next? Electronics? Why not keep that up? I'll sell and get more. Continue. So research is maxed out. We have no claims. I don't really want to buy any more in the black market. I'd rather save the money. You have the most stock, so another
Look at
300,000
all the money.
for you is what
Our
I need.
hackers have compromised the trading servers. Price
We're just gonna keep going with these
manipulation
chems.
begins shortly.
They're good off-world. Spiking the price of electronics again. I just want to queue up one of these so I don't have to worry about it for a little while. And we could short.
Off-world shipment launched. Look at all the
What's
money.
going on with my water? Research this. Oh, because of... Wait. I'm confused. We'll cancel that. We'll just go right into the water, because the water is going to my debt now. I don't like that. I want to keep my stock price up. Oh, only 200,000 now. Their stock price is going down a little bit. So let me sell this. Let me sell this. Let me sell a little bit of carbon. Not really worth it.
Off-world shipment launched.
Don't have much else
Look
to
at all the
sell.
money.
Things are coming in
Our
slow due to
hackers
the
have
lack of water, which
compromised
is
the
super
trading
unfortunate.
servers. Price manipulation
So what do
begins
we want to
shortly.
short next? Let's short silicone again. Could be worth it just to sell. I have so much.
Pirates.
Got
I
one
hate
more.
those filthy bandits.
These guys are going off, selling some oxygen.
Off-world shipment launched. Look at all
So
the
where
money.
are we on you? 700, and you're closing in on me, which is unfortunate. So let's see if we can reach out here. This water is holding back everything, which stinks. But we finished one tier of research. It's going to help us out for sure. They're getting closer. 700. I'm getting closer. Just getting hit with a lot of stuff.
Off-world shipment launched.
Nice off-world
Look
shipments.
at all the money.
Keep them coming. 730. They're getting close. This is intense.
Our
So
hackers
I'm
have
really
compromised
close.
The trading servers.
They're getting really close
Price
too.
manipulation begins shortly.
So manipulate the crap out of that silicone right now. I'm serious. Sell.
Off-world shipment launched.
Offworld
Look at all
shipment
the
launched. Let me just sell everything. Oh no, they're getting close. Can I get it? No, 759. How close are these two? They're coming in. Let me just keep selling everything. Oh, they're 98%. Come on. No! 771. Oh, they bought
Offworld
someone else.
shipment launched.
No, I
Look
got
at all
them.
the money.
I just barely got them. And Mrs. Patton bought someone else. That was intense. Woo, lots of clicking. Alright. I own more of their stock than they own. Woo, I gotta take a moment there. I'm like clicking away. That got pretty intense. I like that. That was fun. So I need 600k for you. I don't see a percentage yet, and I have a lot more of your stock, which is
Look at
nice.
all the money.
That's why I targeted Mrs. Entertainment. He had most stock, so I feel like I'm in a pretty good position now. Although I don't want to. I guess,
Our
man,
hackers have compromised
your
the
economy,
trading
whatever was
service.
going on with you, is
Price
terrible.
manipulation begins
You're short on
shortly.
everything now. Let's just short this again. Sell this. We're lacking
Offworld
silicone.
shipment launched. Look at all the money. Shipment launched.
So I got 4 of these running
Look at
now, so
all
I
the
definitely
money.
want to keep them going. I'll sell at a loss here. You ruined everything by when I bought you. Your economy was a mess. What's wrong with you? Let's see here. Power's
Pirates.
bad, but the price
I
is
hate
low at
those
least.
filthy
Are
bandits.
you really pirating my chems? Stink. These are working. I feel like we should mutiny one of these.
Offworld shipment launched.
If we don't get defended,
Look at all the money.
oh, I don't. Nice. They'll slow down them and allow us to sell more. We have steel and stuff coming in. So random. Oh well. Let's see how this water does when the research finishes. A little positive. Will it stay when everything else kicks on? And our silicone is lacking.
Our hackers have compromised the trading servers. Price
So,
manipulation begins.
gosh, we have a lot of electronics now too.
Shipment launched.
Yeah, no problem, I
Look at all
think.
the money. Shipment
660,
launched.
we're closer
Look
than
at
they
all
are.
the money.
And we're using their off-world market. Although, I should have sold those. We're not using all of our off-world markets. Now we are. 655.
Pirates.
Alright,
I hate those filthy
we're doing
bandits.
good. That was intense. I thought for sure I was about to get bought out. But I like just barely hit it. The right moment. Let me just sell some more stuff. Couple more off-world
Offworld
shipments.
shipment launched.
We'll be right there.
Look at all the
650.
money.
So that's working. This is good to sell on the ground. Make sure all these guys are running. Yep. Very close. Still, I can't discount them. I need to
Our
keep.
hackers have compromised the trading servers. Price
Oops,
manipulation
shortage soon.
begins
I should
shortly.
wait for that. So let's see what else I can send off. Some
Offworld
water,
Offworld shipment launched. Look at all the money. Look
chems,
at all the money.
and we're almost there. 670. Sell some food.
Offworld
And sell
shipment
these.
launched.
And we
Look
got
at
them.
all the money.
Whoa, we win. Let's continue. Alright. Close right there. Mrs. Entertainment was way above me. Barely in time. Gotta go watch that replay. So, this is a really good spot I liked. Even though there were pirates and magnetic storms, I didn't go teleportation because everything was so close. This is like my weakness was the carbon. They hit my carbon over and over again. EMPs, pirates, magnetic storms, and that just slowed me down generally throughout the game. But I think the advantage of having everything here was good. And I just kind of went straight, you know, production. And I went hack array because the prices for the off-world market were super low. They made a ton of money off those electronics. And, you know, everyone else didn't have to look around the map too much because all of my stuff was right there. Everyone else was doing alright. This is quite a small resource-rich map, and the AI tends to do a lot better on maps like this. And I just barely eked out a win. Just barely. The power, keeping my debt down was key. If I had not kept my debt down throughout this game, I would have definitely lost because my stock price would have been so much lower. So getting that early power and water and food and fuel and everything helped me. And spending 40,000 on that claim was stupid. And I never really got rid of that debt. I think without that debt, I would have it wouldn't have cut it so close, but I managed to pull it off. So then after that, it went down pretty fast once I got that by. But that was pretty exciting, intense match. I hope you enjoyed. I enjoyed for sure. So leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Like all that good stuff, and have a great day. And I'll see you in the next daily chat.